Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Techno Guy, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you that what is WBTC. So let's start our video. So here you see that what is WBTC. Bitcoin is the most recognizable cryptocurrency or digital asset in the world. But since the Bitcoin protocol does not natively support general smart contracts, there is not an easy way to use it in decentralized finance (DeFi). WBTC or wrapped Bitcoin is the solution to this problem. In this article, we go into more detail about what exactly WBTC is and why there is a need for it. So here, trade WBTC, WETH versus DAI and other crypto assets on bitcoins.com multi-chain versus DEX enjoy permissionless and non-custodial trading access to DeFi with a special focus on newcomers safely and securely swap crypto with low fees, including cross-chain trading between BTC, BCH, ETH, and more. Anyone can also earn yield by providing liquidity through versus DEX pools and additional rewards through reverse form. Here, table of content is provided. What is wrapped Bitcoin? What is the need for wrapped Bitcoin? How is WBTC created? Are there other types of wrapped Bitcoin besides WBTC? So here's it. What is wrapped Bitcoin? WBTC. WBTC is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain that is pegged to Bitcoin BTC. WBTC is backed one to one with Bitcoin B. For WBTC, the only way to use Bitcoin in a financial transaction was through centralized entities like centralized exchanges. WBTC was launched in January 2019 as a way to give decentralized applications DApps on Ethereum access to Bitcoin. Now WBTC is routinely swapped on decentralized exchanges DEXs and used as collateral on lending platform and derivatives platform. Appreciate what is need for wrapped Bitcoin WBTC. Bitcoin is an incredible decentralized cryptocurrency with the highest market cap of any cryptocurrency or digital asset. However, there was not a good way for the ecosystem of DApps that made up DEFI to access all of the value in Bitcoin. Like any financial market, access to more value translates to increased liquidity. Ample liquidity ensured the smooth functioning of markets, and locking Bitcoin through WBTC made DEFI more robust. An additional benefit is that since the Ethereum blockchain can handle more transactions per second, WBTC transactions happen much faster than BTC transactions. So HDN, how is WBTC created? Creating WBTC is called minting. To mint WBTC, submit a request to a WBTC merchant along with payment. The payment will be the amount of WBTC you want plus a fee of minting. The merchant will complete anti-money laundering AML and know your customer KYC on the submitter. If everything check out, the merchant will send BTC to the custodian who will mint the equivalent amount of WBTC. This minting occurs at known address at that anyone can track. The custodian deposits the BTC at non-reserve and reserve addresses. The custodian sends the newly minted WBTC to the merchant. Upon receiving the WBTC, the merchant will send it to the submitter. So here's it. To get back WBTC is simply reverse the process, pay a fee and submit WBTC to a merchant. The merchant will pass the WBTC to the custodian who burned the WBTC and sends back the appropriate amount of BTC from the reserve's address. The merchant forward the BTC to the submitter. Are there other types of wrapped bitcoins beside WBTC? So at the time of writing, WBTC dominates the wrapped Bitcoin market with over 1,70,000 WBTC in circulation, equating to 0.8% of the circulating supply of Bitcoin. Other wrapped Bitcoin tokens have historically achieved only a fraction of the market share as WBTC, most notable brand BTC, which reached a peak circulation of 13,698 Bitcoins in 2021. So here's it basically. So I think there is a little bit network issues, that's why this page might be not opening. So we are came back at the top of the screen. So we are see at the right side of the screen. So here's it. Bitcoin.com, buy as little as $30 what to get started. Here's it. Buy now option is also provided here. Choose from Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and more. Here's it. Related guides are also provided here. So here's it. What is WETH is also provided here. So WETH is an important part of the Ethereum DeFi ecosystem. Learn what it is and why it's important. Here's it. Read this article option is also provided here. What's learn about bitcoins.com. official token ways to earn it and how to use it in the bitcoin.com ecosystem and beyond. So here's it. What is avalanche? Understand avalanche key characters. Here's it. What different options are provided here. See it. So basically, I'm now moving. Uh, here's it. DEFI. What is DEFI? Learn what makes decentralized finance work and how they compare to traditional financial products. So here's it. I'm now going at the bottom of the screen, is at bitcoin.com in your index, a weekly rundown of the news that matters plus in educational resources and update on products and services that support economic freedom. Affiliate free sign up option is also provided here. So basically you have to provide your email address at there, and after providing your email address you have to click on a sign up option, and after that you easily sign in this bitcoin.com. So basically this is all about the wrapped bitcoin WBTC. So if you like my video then please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this.